Welcome to the epitome of luxury living in this grand stone manor situated on a sprawling 11,000 square foot lot. Nestled within the tranquil confines of Upper Westmount, this exceptional residence redefines opulence and offers an extraordinary lifestyle. As you step onto the property, you'll be greeted by lush landscaping that surrounds a magnificent 9-foot deep inground pool, complete with a diving board, a true oasis for relaxation and entertainment. This stately home is perfectly positioned on a peaceful Upper Westmount street where sophistication meets serenity. The interior of this residence is designed for grandeur and entertainment, starting with the first floor. Soaring ceilings and tall windows flood the space with natural light, creating an ambiance of elegance and warmth. The renovated kitchen is a culinary masterpiece, while Nanny's quarters provide convenience and versatility. A fabulous ground floor den beckons you to unwind, leading to an enchanting yard where outdoor living takes on a new dimension. Venture to the second level and discover 5 bedrooms, each a haven of comfort and style. The primary suite is a showstopper with cathedral ceilings and western views that inspire tranquility and awe. It's a retreat within your retreat. This fine offering doesn't stop there. A finished basement adds valuable additional living space, and a spacious 2-car integrated garage provides convenience and security for your vehicles. Priced at $13,950,000, this remarkable house is more than a home. It's an embodiment of luxury living at its finest. Every aspect of this property has been meticulously crafted to provide an unparalleled living experience. Don't miss the chance to make it your own. Contact us today and step into a world of grandeur, elegance, and endless possibilities. This is the lifestyle you've been dreaming of.